first time watching my video, then hi, my name is Anna. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So I have planned to keep a theme for this month videos, and the theme is affordability. So the type of videos I'll be making, be it skincare related or beauty related or fashion, it will have this theme affordability. Because let's talk real, nobody has too much money to spend on skincare, makeup and clothes, but we still want to look our best. And I am a college student, I am in second year, and I am always on a strict budget, and most of my viewers are also college students and school students, and I can totally relate. And don't worry, I am there to help you all. So let's start with today's video. If you are a beginner who doesn't know what good affordable brands are there and who doesn't know what exactly to have in their makeup kit, then today's video is for you. The first product which you need is obviously a primer, and the one I use is this one from Lakme. It's the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. It retails for ₹675, and this is a very good primer actually, and it has a very pink and white undertone to it. I hope you all can see from here. So it is very smooth and lightweight, and it feels like you are applying a moisturizer. You still feel like you don't want to spend $675 or $700 on a makeup primer, then I have an alternate option for you, which is this product. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Aloe Vera Gel. It works similarly as a primer, and it retails for just ₹200, and aloe vera is very good for your skin. Product you need is a foundation, and the one I use is from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade range 230, and this is suitable for normal to oily skin, and as I have combination skin, I really like this product. This is for ₹575, but I got it for just ₹490 on Amazon. Like, there was the sale going on. The product has a medium to full coverage, so I don't really think if you don't have too many dark spots or blemishes on your skin, then I don't really think you need a concealer with this. If you just apply this product twice on your skin, then I think you will be good to go. So the next product which you need in your makeup kit is a concealer, and the one I use is again from Maybelline. I am in the shade number 25, and this retails for ₹500. And the amount you are paying for this product really justifies it. It works as a color corrector, it conceals your under eye and hides all your dark spots, blemishes, whatever you have. Hopefully I don't have any kind of spots on my face. I just have dark circles, so I use this product to conceal my under eye. Next product which you need is a setting powder. This powder retails for ₹450, and this doesn't dry up your skin at all. Like, I have used some low range powders which leaves my skin looks very cakey and very powdery, and I hate that. So this gives you a matte finish. So the next product you need is this one. This is a Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. So one side it has a pencil-like structure which is needed to outline your eyebrows, and the next side is the powder thing which helps you to fill in your eyebrows properly. This retails for just ₹245, and this is one of the best eyebrow kit I have ever used. It's the Maybelline New York, the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. But the fact that it doesn't give any volume to your eyelashes, in fact it makes your eyelashes look very natural. So if you want a natural look, then you should definitely go for this product. The eyeliner which I like to use is this one from Lakme. It's the Lakme 925 eyeliner, and the best thing about this eyeliner is that it has a very thin brush to it, and you can see So for lipsticks, I will mention 2 to 3 good brands which has amazing shade range of lipstick and affordable obviously and good quality. So the first lipstick which I have is this one from Color Sense. It's a red lipstick, and of course you need a red lipstick in your makeup kit. And the next brand is L18. Firstly, I used to think that L18 is a very cheap company and it doesn't have good quality lipstick, but I was wrong. I have this pink lipstick from L18 which I use as a blush too. So if you don't want to spend money on blush, then you can definitely use a pink lipstick as your blush. So I did not include any contour kit or eyeshadow palette because I don't really think you need those in your makeup beginners kit. But if you still want a video on that, then let me know in the comments below. I will surely make it for you guys. And this is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get this video to 100 likes maybe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.